The laser welding robot is a robotic system equipped with a laser generator and dedicated software designed to perform welding operations on various materials. It combines robotic precision with laser technology for efficient and accurate welding operations. It provides exceptional precision and accuracy in weld placement and depth control, resulting in high-quality, aesthetically pleasing welds. It is also very flexible and versatile, capable of welding different materials, thicknesses, and joint configurations. In addition, the laser welding robot minimizes the heat-affected zone, thereby reducing deformation and material damage.